Good afternoon, boys and girls. I hope you guys had a great day today. Happy Friday. I miss you all so much. Today I'm going to read the story, My Daddy Snores. The author is Nancy Rothstein, and it's illustrated by Gilpin. On Monday, Daddy's snore boomed like a dinosaur's roar. The windows rattled. The walls trembled. So, Mommy played musical beds. She tried sleeping in my bed, but I hogged the blanket. She tried sleeping in Natalie's crib, but it broke. On Tuesday, Daddy's snore rumbled like an earthquake. It shook Mommy right out of the bed. So, she slept in the bathtub. She made Daddy sleep in a tent. But he woke up all the birds. Then the birds woke us up. It was not a great idea after all. On Sunday morning, Mommy looked like a zombie having a bad hair day. "No more snoring!" she yelled. She took Daddy to the doctor, and the doctor helped to cure Daddy's snoring. Wonder how he helped cure it. On Sunday night, Daddy didn't snore. Our whole house was quiet. Mommy slept. I slept. Natalie slept. Rover and Splishy and Hammy slept. Until... what's going to happen? Daddy started talking in his sleep. And here he is asleep. This is a little speech bubble, so that means he's talking in his sleep. He said, "Thanks, I'd love more ice cream." Silly Daddy, talking in his sleep now. The end. Oh, what a silly story. I love this one. I found it in my box of books here, so I'll have to bring it to our classroom if you guys enjoyed it. Silly story. Lots of action words, things that describe how it sounded, right? When it says that he rumbled like an earthquake in this part of our book, that's how loud he was snoring. It was like an earthquake. And then my favorite part is the beginning when it says, "It boomed like a dinosaur's roar." That's how loud his snores were. The illustrator shows a dinosaur. Was there really a dinosaur in the bed? No, but that's what the snore sounded like. How many of you guys have ever snored in your sleep or heard somebody snoring? It can definitely keep you awake, right? All right, I hope you have a great weekend. Thank you for being so wonderful this week. I hope that you gave Mrs. Crook lots of love and told her thank you for being so wonderful with you guys this week. Have a good weekend.